sit in my lap and stare into my eyes for 1 full minute or take a shot.
Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't mean nothing.
Hello, this is Sarah, and this is my friend Sheldon from CantoMando. We've been friends for 2 years. We met in Toronto when we started doing videos together, and neither of us had any plans for Valentine's Day, so I decided to make things a little spicy and asked him out on a friend date so we can ruin our friendship, and y'all will also get the worst, most uncomfortable date video that ever existed on YouTube. Enjoy. Okay, we're supposed to be doing a dinner date, so I am cooking, which is my biggest weakness in life. So let's figure out how to do this, because I don't cook, I don't clean. Actually, I do cook, I do clean, but I do so poorly. So I brought reinforcement from our sponsor today, which is HelloFresh. So they give you the recipes and the ingredients, more 5-star recipes than any other meal kits. HelloFresh can help you cut down on time because you don't have to food prep. The packaging that HelloFresh gets delivered in is also almost entirely recyclable or is already using recycled materials. It's also really flexible. You can choose your food preferences, you can skip a week, and they donated over 4 million meals to charity in 2020. So yeah, that's my little HelloFresh plug. Go to hellofresh.com and use my code SACHEU10 to get 10 free meals plus free shipping. We're making the Salisbury steak meatballs today. Fuck, I really hope I have enough time to make this. Prep cut potatoes. The Noir 29. That's my date night perfume, so I don't smell like meatballs.
Wait, man. I'm trying to
What?
Not bad for him, right?
Are you gonna wear your super high shoes?
Huh?
The ones that make you look taller? Are you gonna wear the shoes that make you look taller?
Like, you think I need to look taller, man?
Dude, she's like 5'6".
Like, I'm 5'6.5".
Edward. Yo, is Sheldon 5'6" or Sheldon 5'6.5"?
5'6".
Oh.
I'll that was cool, right?
Huh? Wait, Sheldon, are you 5'6" or 5'6.5"?
5'6". 5'6".
Yo, you're trying to tell everybody's
And a half.
Oh my.
I'm serving the mashed potatoes right now. I'm gonna put a little bit more on Sheldon's plate because every time we go out to eat, I could never finish my food and he always finishes my food for me. So I know this boy likes to eat. Okay, gravy.
Okay, wait, what are you gonna wear on top?
Huh?
What are you gonna wear on top?
I gotta wash my teeth first.
Why? Are you going for kiss? Huh?
Wait, I'm not answering that question.
Why?
Why? You know why.
Why?
Why?
What?
Maybe.
Okay, wow, cool guy, man. Took you fucking 5 minutes to answer that one question. Wow, what a cool guy, dude. Alright, we're about to go on go to Sarah's place and go on the date. How you feeling? Are you nervous?
No.
Okay.
I feel like everything's gonna go pretty good. I mean,
I feel like you're gonna go for the kiss.
huh?
Hi.
What's up?
Welcome.
That'll be fun.
So,
Hi, Sarah. Hi.
we both brought moral support. I brought Tiff.
I brought Mike.
So, you live with 2 guys.
Mm-hmm.
What do you do when you want to bring a date home?
Funny because one of the guys right there. So the truth is, because I don't have a bedroom, what happens is I ask Mike to evacuate his room, and then I put the air mattress in his room.
Keep talking.
And
girls are okay with that?
Air mattress.
Oh, you got game like that.
Sarah, I'm telling you right now, you haven't experienced the air mattress, but the air mattress is the comfiest thing. No, it's like I hope
Has
it
any
works.
girl ever like went to your place, saw the air mattress and left?
No, but they came to my place, saw the air mattress, and been like, "Is that the bed?" Before the air
Still
mattress.
smashed though, right?
Ah, that's a gentleman never remembers.
I decided to get this truth or drink game.
a question or a dare. If you don't want to do it or you don't want to answer, you have to take a shot.
Okay.
You
So
want to start off with one?
this is non-grandma mode, Sarah.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Describe the first time we met. What was your honest first impression of me?
My first impression of you was she's not as tall as I thought she was.
Really?
Yeah. Yo, I don't know if you use the little widescreen angle to thing up. I'm like, yo, this girl looks really tall. I was like, oh, she seems really confident. That was the first thing. Then second thing, I was like, oh, like she's pretty. I thought you were like 5'8" or so.
5'8"?
I thought you were like 5'8" or so. Like I always feel like now I always figure short.
That's so funny because my first impression of you is you're not as tall as I thought you were too.
Wow, Sarah.
What? You thought the same thing about me?
Show me your Hinge/Tinder or take a shot.
Fuck. We matched on Hinge, by the way.
We matched on Hinge.
We matched on Hinge and then I messaged you and you never messaged me back.
Yeah, it's because I deleted the app, and I was waiting for this moment right here. All right, let's go through her profile. The hallmark of a good relationship is matching tattoos within the first month, and you give me a vial of your blood to wear as a necklace.
Yes.
I take pride in work. Oh, okay, pretty nice profile. Pretty nice profile.
You're acting like you've never seen it before.
That's why we match. Who do you think has had more sexual partners, you or me?
I know the answer.
Okay.
It's you.
There's still B, so you don't have to. I still gotta read B. What's the messiest thing you've ever done sexually?
I'm taking a shot. I can't answer that. I can't answer that. What's my greatest physical asset? Don't be shy.
Come on, champ. We practice this one.
Okay, alright, there's a wholesome and a non-wholesome answer. Which one do you want to hear?
The non-wholesome one.
Probably your ass.
Wholesome.
Wow, you don't want to hear the wholesome one?
Okay, what's the wholesome one?
Your smile. Alright, A, have you ever been in love? How do you know?
I think I have. I knew because it was really peaceful. Felt more free with a person than I did by myself. It might not be like commitment or forever or marriage or anything like that, but yeah.
Yeah. Sit in my lap and stare into my eyes for 1 full minute or take a shot.
Do I have your consent?
You have my consent.
Okay, let me see. Where's my phone? 1 minute.
Okay, no, wait, is the timer started? Look at his eyes. Yo, his icon, don't look at us.
Fuck, it's only been half a minute. 2, 1. Okay, we're good.
Oh man. Yo,
Okay.
I felt the connection from here, by the way. I felt the
Okay.
Give us a passionate example of your dirty talk.
Oh man, I wanna hear this.
Alright, you go first.
What sound do I make?
Yeah, make your sound.
Oh.
Make your sound.
Is that your sound?
I'm making your sound, if that's what it is. Or is it like a... I don't know. You make your sound. Make your sound.
Okay, you go first.
Okay, fine. It's like a... Okay.
She's stroking your
Okay.
like slowly, but it's doing it the right way.
It's
What
like...
sound do you make?
It's like... Alright, your turn.
It's like a...
I dare you to kiss me on the lips or take a shot.
Okay, you know what? I'll just take the shot.
Oh.
It's a better thing to do. Alright, last
Alright,
shot.
cheers.
Cheers. Ooh.
So, first question I want to ask is, why did you choose not to kiss him? Okay, this is why, alright? So before, because I was filming him when he was getting ready and stuff, he made sure to brush his teeth, right?
Okay.
And we could roll that clip. And I asked him, are you brushing your teeth because of the fact that you're going to kiss today? You know what he said? He said, maybe. You know what happens when somebody says maybe? It means yes. He was looking forward to that kiss, and I'm very disappointed that I didn't see that. So, the question is, Sarah, why did you deny him of his fantasy and his dreams?
Just felt like the moment wasn't right. I feel like that's kind of a second date thing
Yeah.
with
Second
how it was
date thing.
going, and
Yeah.
with you and Tiff staring at us, it was kind of hard to have our moment.
Did you think you view him any different now?
I learned more about him.
Learn more about him.
Yes.
Like another side of him.
Yes.
The last question would be, would you go on a second date with Sheldon?
Depends on how
date.
he moves. Depends on if he brushes his teeth that day, and if he wears a hoodie again, and how much effort he puts in.
Oh, so you would go on a second date with him?
Possibly.
So Sheldon, unlike Mike, I'm gonna ask very quick, straightforward questions. What did you think?
It's interesting. Like I learned a lot about Sarah. This is the first time I ever went on a date with a friend, so it was definitely really interesting.
Okay, so what was your favorite part?
The lap sit, and the food.
Oh,
The food is really good.
The food is good, right?
The food is really good.
Yeah, go on a second date.
Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't mean nothing. Oh, it's so good to be free. Yeah.